Hello everyone from the social media world. This is an era of social media. The Facebook avatar, the new venture by Facebook, it's highly appreciable as it's a different notion. Any of us would love to see a cartoonistic version of us. The new Facebook avatar is a quench for such thirst. To create your own cartoonistic version. Here we will teach you how to create your own avatar. Go to the rightmost corner 3 lines, that is the menu of your Facebook page. Pressing that would lend you a page with an icon named Avatar. Click it and create your own cartoonistic identity and enjoy it. You can select your own skin tone, hairstyle, dress, accessories, eyebrows, eyes, nose, and makeup, the gender, as ever you wish to be or as ever you look in live. It's Facebook avatar, the avatar of yours. So exactly who you are, you could make it as a cartoonistic version. So however you like, however you dress up, are you geeky? You wear specs? Are you nerdy? According to that, you can make it. Or else, if you want to have an imaginary version of yours, that too you can make. And the hairstyle, whichever you have or whichever you feel like having, you can have that. Try it out, people. You're obviously gonna enjoy it. Every option is completely shown up in this video. You to try it. By now, most of you would have tried it. This video is for those who are unaware of this avatar and those who are pondering how to do that. For those who are pondering how to create it, we thought we would make a video so that you can also create and enjoy. Once an avatar is formed, then after you can use this also as an emoji in your messages. You can also create them from already created people's sharing from your Facebook page. You can find other people sharing their DPs, their avatars. There also you may have a link. From that also you can create directly. A variety of dresses, shapes, beard, everything is available. It's quite funny. It takes out the fun part of us. We in fact become a techie here, creating something like a visual effect officer. Let me play with it for a while. Keep watching. Funs apart, finally I have created my own Facebook avatar. I will show you the realistic one. It's on the way coming. Yeah, here it is. So this is the one. Likewise, it comes in the emoji with different shapes. Bye. I wind up.